Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Wanlipo 4K dual dashcam front and rear, 4K single front car camera with Wi-Fi, 2K plus 1080p dash camera with 3-inch screen, dashcam with app control. G-sensor, loop recording, parking monitor, 32 GB memory card. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 4K UHD single front dash camera. Wanlipo M03X dashcam adopts up to Ultra HD 4K resolution when the rear camera is not connected. The dashcam records crystal clear video at 3800x2160p/30 fps, clearly capturing more details, providing sufficient evidence for accidents. Note, 4K resolution can only be achieved in a single front mode, and the maximum height of dual recording is only 2K plus 1080p. 2K plus 1080p dual recording dashcam. This dashcam features front and rear cameras that capture clear video in both 2K, front, and 1080p, rear. The dual car camera is equipped with f1.6 aperture and 6 glass lenses, 150 degrees wide-angle lens, which can effectively eliminate blind spots and capture more driving details, helping to provide critical evidence in the car accident, keeping you away from disputes. Wi-Fi support and app control car cam. This 4K dash camera front and rear built-in Wi-Fi is equipped with an exclusive app Aegir compatible for Android or iOS smartphones. Easily access to live preview, download videos, and manage camera settings and share your wonderful footage to social media, such as YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. And share the wonderful moments of the journey with family and friends. Loop recording and G-sensor lock. The dual dashcam for cars can automatically detect a sudden collision with G-sensor when the collision reaches the sensitivity. The dual camera for car will lock the current video and save it from being overwritten and protecting your video evidence. The dual car cam's seamless loop recording will continuously record 1/2/3 minutes of video clips when the memory card is full. It will overwrite the unlocked old footage with new content video to keep recording. 24 hours parking monitor car camera. This dual dashcam front and rear automatically switches to parking mode when parking to monitor the surrounding environment. If you have turned on the parking mode, when the built-in battery is sufficient, the 4K dashcam will automatically record and save when a collision occurs while parking. Support 24-hour monitoring to provide you safe parking protection. Easy installation and use for cars. This front dashcam is easy to install by attaching to the windshield with the suction cup mount. This rear dash camera connects the car's reversing lamp positive lead and then install it to the car rear. Insert the memory card, connect the car charger. When the dashboard camera is powered on, you can directly operate the camera for car. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.